Ah! Ow!
The House of the Dead.
Reload! Shoot outside of the screen!
The House of the Dead.
Help! No! 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 Don't kill me! Ah!
Good luck.
Good luck! My God! My God!
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! Help me!
Thank you for rescuing me.
Thank you for rescuing me.
Thank you for rescuing me.
Don't come! Don't come!
Don't come. Don't come.
Go away! Go away!
Go away. Go away.
Help me! Help me!
Help me. Help me. Help. Help.
Help me! Help me!
Help me! Help me!
Help me. Help me.
Thanks for saving me. Thanks for saving me.
Thanks for saving me.
Thanks, I owe you.
Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
We're meeting G over there.
We're meeting G over there.
What?
What?
Taking care of G. This is always the beginning. You're not scared.
Let's go, Gary. Please be safe, G.
No, not G.
How could anyone do this?
How could this happen? G!
G!
I tried.
Gary,
I tried. James, I tried. The enemy's bigger than you can imagine. James, take this. Gary, take this. Harry and Amy are coming to back us up. Hurry! Go! Thanks, G.
Thanks, G.
Help me! I don't want to die!
Help me! I don't want to die.
My God.
My God.
Thanks! You can get outside that way.
Thanks. You can get outside that way.
There was nothing we could do.
There was nothing we could do.
G's bloodstains.
G's bloodstains.
Thank you. Please take this.
Thank you. Please take this.
Seems like my advice had no effect. Sucker like G did. Sucker the same way G did. Go, Carl. Get them, Carl.
No. Why? Is he invincible?
Is he invincible?
The small one must be the brain.
The small one must be the brain.
James, Gary.
Amy, Harry.
Amy! Harry!
Thank God you're all right.
What the hell's going on in the city? What's going on in the city?
What the hell's going on in this city?
Don't know, but it's very similar to the 1998 Curian case.
That case?
That case?
Fate will decide which survives. Men went too far. Men did too much. That is why they died.
No more fooling around.
Leave it to me.
James, go and prevent the confusion in the city.
Please, help him, please. Help him.
Gary, go and prevent the confusion in the city.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's meet at Sunset Bridge.
We're counting on you, Gary.
We're counting on you, James.
What the?
Don't underestimate the enemy.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck!
Good luck.
Failed. Go! Ready? Success! Time's up.
How could anyone do this?
This is too much. Can't let this go on.
James,
Gary.
Amy! Harry! The chaos of this city's increasing.
Amy, Harry, the state of this city is too much.
well, it's about that. It seems like Goldman.
Wait, we'll talk later.
Wait. We'll talk later.
Amy, Harry.
Amy! Harry!
I was looking for you, James.
I was looking for you, Gary. We were looking for you, Gary.
What's going on? This city's chaos is increasing.
This city, the state that it's in, this is too much. What? Harry, we'll talk later.
What? Harry, we'll talk later. Don't care who it is. No one's gonna get away with this.
No one's gonna get away with this. Which one?
Which one?
Right?
Right.
Left?
Left.
What's gonna happen to this city?
The bridge has been destroyed.
The bridge has been destroyed.
Yes, that case. It's too dark. Needs some light.
It's too dark. Need some light.
Dogs of the AMS. Time they made a move.
No! Help me!
No! Help me!
Let's hurry.
Let's hurry. Gary, let's hurry.
What?
What? How could anyone do this? If only I'd noticed sooner.
How could anyone do this?
Don't come. Don't come.
Don't come. Don't come.
Go away. Go away.
Go away. Go away.
There are more inside.
There are more inside.
Who could do such a thing?
I've had it.
We're flying right over the Sunset Bridge. Something or someone has taken city.
We need to hurry. We need to hurry.
Need to hurry. We need to hurry. Let's go, Gary.
Help. Help.
Help. Help.
Help me. Help me.
Help me. Help me.
Help. Help.
Help! Help!
Help. Help.
Help me! Help me!
Help me! Help me!
Help me. Help me.
Heard a voice over there.
Heard a voice over there. Get back!
Please get back. Can we get to Sunset Bridge this way?
Can we get to Sunset Bridge this way?
Yes. Go straight and you'll get to Sunset Bridge.
Yes. Go straight and you'll get to Sunset Bridge. Thank you. Go straight ahead and you'll get to the wharf.
Thank you. Go straight ahead and you'll get to the wharf.
What are they? What's wrong with this city? What's wrong with this city?
Thanks. Sunset Bridge is just ahead.
Looks like they didn't make it.
Looks like they didn't make it.
My dad's still inside.
Don't worry. I'll get him out. Don't worry. We'll get him out.
Trust me. Trust us.
What the?
How could anyone do this?
My son!
He's waiting outside.
He's waiting for you outside.
Thank you for saving my life.
Thank you for saving my life. Mom!
Mom.
Mom!
This has gone too far. There's no way down.
There's no way down.
The control tower must be up there.
The control tower must be up there.
That was close.
That was close. Thanks. I owe you.
James, it's been a while, hasn't it? My friends from the AMS. It's me, Goldman. Well, the 1998 Curian case. Guess who's behind it? It was Goldman. He's the head one of the most eminent financial group and an expert on the genome theory. We have to stop him.
Yes, this is Amy. Yes. Yes. It seems that Goldman left a message for us.
What? From Goldman?
From Goldman? It can't be.
Well, he says that he'll be waiting at the Colosseum on the north side of the city.
The Colosseum? It might be a trap, but let's go on.
James, let's split from here. Gary, let's split from here.
James, you guys use the underground passage. We'll go this way. James, you go from the underground passage. We'll go this way. Gary, you go from the underground passage. We'll go this way. Gary.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll call you when something happens.
My friends went inside, but they're not back yet. I told them not to go. Help! My friends are inside.
Are they in here?
Are they in here? James.
It's me, Gary.
James, come quickly. Something terrible is happening. No! Harry!
Amy! What happened, Amy?
Amy? What happened, Amy?
James, back me up.
Gary, back me up.
The water gate's closing. We need to hurry. The water gate's blocked.
Harry, looks like we can go around from the right.
Are you all right, James? Are you all right, Gary?
Yeah, I'm hanging on.
Yeah, I'm hanging on.
Hurry and run to somewhere safe.
Above you.
Let's hurry. What the? What?
I'll get you.
I'll get you.
How could anyone do this?
Gary, come on, let's go and get him.
Gary, come quickly. We're in a serious state.
The water gate's still blocked.
James, over there. Gary, over there.
What is it?
What is it? Thank you. I'll open the water gate for you.
James, behind you. Gary, behind you.
Go from the left. We'll go from the left.
It's too dark. Need some light.
It's too dark. Need some light.
Everything's set. All we need to do is wait.
What happened to Amy and Harry?
What happened to Amy and Harry?
Have to hurry. We have to hurry.
Have to hurry. We have to hurry. We have no time. Let's hurry, Gary.
People of the AMS, I am Goldman. I don't care if you people try to get in my way or not. In time you'll find out who's right. This is a present from me to you. Look at your left.
Amy! Harry!
Amy! Harry!
Well, friends, I look forward to meeting you people again.
Run!
Run!
Is this the Colosseum?
Is this the Colosseum? Gary! After him!
I'm not gonna let you get away.
I'm not gonna let you get away. Too late.
How could anyone do this? I ran from the Colosseum. Thanks for saving me. Power's still coming.
Power still coming.
Look at your right.
Amy, Harry, are you alright?
Amy! Harry! Are you alright?
I'm all right. But Harry's...
No!
No. Why?
James! Gary! The car's parked in the city square. The top floor. Building at point A0063. He's there. Go, James. Go, Gary.
Thanks, Harry.
Thanks, Harry. Goldman, I'm not gonna let you get away with this.
Goldman, I'll get you.
Our Emperor shall awaken soon. Hurry, friends.
Point A0063 is just ahead. A0063 is just ahead.
Point A0063 is just ahead. A0063's just ahead.
This must be the car.
This must be the car. Let's get in. You!
This can't be.
Sir Goldman has given me a second chance. Don't even think you can get past me. Go, car!
Remember, there's no such thing as a second chance.
Remember, there's no such thing as a second chance.
What?
What? Too bad. You're better off that way.
I won't let you have it your own way anymore.
Gary, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So this is Goldman's headquarters.
So this is Goldman's headquarters. Can't be. You're...
Can't be.
I've been waiting for this time to come. You have no future. Be prepared to die. There's no future for you people. Be prepared to die. Either I get you, or the Emperor will. Either way, your fate is in our hands. Either way, there's nothing you people can do.
Only man himself can control its fate. You're nothing.
You're the only one who's gonna get defeated, magician. It's too quiet.
It's too quiet.
The enemies started an all-out attack.
The enemies started an all-out attack.
How many are there?
How many are there? Prepare yourself, Goldman.
I'm coming to get you, Goldman. I'm coming for you, Goldman. Let's hurry.
Let's hurry. Gary, let's hurry.
Go, car!
At last, you've come. Friends, you've finally made it. Friends, the door
of fate shall open.
Prepare yourself, Goldman.
I'm coming to get you, Goldman. I'm coming for you, Goldman. It's like they're inviting us in. It's like they're inviting me in.
It's like they're inviting us in. It's like they're inviting me in. Gary, be careful.
No turning back now.
No turning back now.
What is this place?
What is this place?
I've been waiting for you, friends.
Goldman!
Goldman, do you know what you're doing?
Do you know what you're doing?
I'm fully aware of what I'm doing. Can't you see? Man disturbed the life cycle. The sins committed to nature. Man committed a sin, disturbing the life cycle of nature. The original sin that man is responsible to protect the life cycle. I have made a creature to rule over mankind. This is the final battle. Show yourself. Our new ruler, the Emperor.
I am the one who rules over nature. I shall destroy and hate mankind. I am the Emperor.
Friends, it is not over yet.
Is that all you have to say?
Is that all you have to say?
In time, a successor will come. Farewell, friends.
It's finally over.
James, did we really do the right thing?
Don't know. But we have to find the answer by ourselves. As long as we try to keep on living, it's finally over. Goldman, I don't care if a successor comes or not. I'll go on fighting, as long as we have the will to live. Goodbye, Goldman.
Is it really over? Was I really right? Someday, until the answer is found. Goodbye, Goldman.
James, Gary,
Rogan!
G and Harry are all right. Let's leave the rest to them. On we go. To our next battle.
As long as we have the will to live.
As long as there is an answer.
Fate will decide which survives.